Protectli Vault FW4B4 port, Firewall Micro Appliance / Mini PC Intel Quad Core, Celeron J3160, AESNI, barebone. The Vault FW4B secure your network with a compact, fanless, and silent firewall. Comes with US-based support and 30-day money-back guarantee. Vnopn Mini Computer, Intel Core i3 5005U, up to 2.0 GHz, Mini PC Windows 10 Pro with license, 8GB DDR4 128GB SSD Mini Desktop. Mini PC 10th Gen Intel J4125, for Core, up to 2.7 GHz, 8GB DDR4 plus 256GB M.2 SSD 2280 Triggy Green G1% Micro PC Dual Ethernet for personal desktop PC, Wi-Fi 5/BT 4.0/Dual 4K HDMI/USB 3.0/Auto Power On. Desktop Mini PC Windows 10 Pro, 8GB DDR4 mini computers with Intel Celeron J4125, 128GB M.2 SSD Home Business. The GK2 mini computer comes with Intel Celeron J4125 processor, up to 2.7 GHz. The performance is significantly improved by 50% compared with J3455 and N3450. 8GB DDR4 RAM for full power multitasking, 128GB M.2 SSD quickly saves files and stores more data. Get 15 times faster performance than traditional hard drives. Multimedia PC server. This small computer supports dual display via 2 HDMI output ports in 4K resolution, which means it will increase work efficiency. CPU, Intel Quad Core Celeron J3160, 64-bit, up to 2.2 GHz, AESNI hardware support.